Oil majors Exxon, Royal Dutch Shell, and ConocoPhillips all reported lower results from a year ago on Thursday, weighed down by the plunge in oil prices. Exxon posted a 46% drop in first quarter profit, though earnings and revenue still beat analysts' expectations. The oil giant reported a profit of $4.9 billion, or $1.17 a share, on revenue that fell to $67.6 billion. Analysts expected Exxon to report earnings of 83 cents a share on revenue of about $56.3 billion, according to Thomson Reuters. Refining and marketing earnings were a pocket of strength, more than doubling to about $1.6 billion. Refining and marketing also aided Shell's results, rising to $2.6 billion from about $1.6 billion a year ago. However, Shell reported earnings that fell by 56% from a year ago, with its adjusted profit falling to $3.2 billion from $7.3 billion last year. Results still beat analyst forecasts. And ConocoPhillips reported a narrower than expected first quarter loss. Excluding items, the U.S. oil producer reported a loss of 18 cents a share, compared with a profit of $1.81 a share a year ago. Analysts were expecting a loss of 19 cents a share. This as the average realized price it received for each barrel of oil fell to $36.96 a barrel from $71.21 a barrel a year ago. In New York, I'm Brittany Umar for The Street.